For over 20 years, the scientists at Brita have worked to give you healthier and great-tasting water. The Brita pitcher filter uses technology which combines coconut-based activated carbon with ion exchange resin in a BPA-free housing. These materials work together to reduce chlorine taste and odor, zinc, and harmful contaminants copper, mercury, and cadmium. Brita filters do not require pre-soaking prior to use and do not generate black carbon flecks. With an easy grip handle, Brita filters are easy to insert and remove in your pitcher. You should change the filter every 2 months or every 40 gallons, whichever comes first. Changing filters is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Remove the old filter with the easy grip handle. Flush the new filter with cold water for 15 seconds. Line up the notch in the Brita pitcher with the groove in the filter and press firmly to ensure a tight seal. After changing the filter, fill the reservoir with cold tap water. Make sure to use Brita brand filters to ensure a perfect fit with your pitcher every time.
Setting up a Brita pitcher is easy. First, rinse a standard filter with cold water for 15 seconds, or use a blue long-last filter. No rinsing required. Insert the filter by lining up the filter screw with the notch in the reservoir, and press firmly for a tight seal. For instant filter replacement reminders, press and hold the status button, 2 seconds for a standard filter or 6 seconds for a long-last filter. Remember to replace your standard filter every 2 months or long-last filter every 6 months. Thoroughly rinse out your new pitcher, then fill it with cold tap water, and enjoy great tasting water without the waste.
Dan Carlin here, founder and CEO of Invigorated Water. This is our pH Restore Alkaline Water Pitcher. It's actually the first ever product in the Invigorated Water range. It holds about 3.5 litres of pure filtered alkaline water. It includes our pH 001 filter, which is good for about 96 gallons, 360 litres or 1500 cups. So it's got a very, very high capacity, really long filter life, amazing value. The pH 001 filter does an excellent job of removing chlorine, fluoride, heavy metals, dirt, dust, rust, all of that stuff, at the same time of increasing the pH of your water until you reach really, really high alkaline, which is a huge focus for us here at Invigorated Water. So there you have it. That's the pH Restore Alkaline Water Pitcher.
What does your filter remove? Unlike Brita, ZeroWater's 5-stage filtration system removes virtually all dissolved solids, while Brita's 2-stage filter leaves about half behind in your drinking water. This water quality meter shows total dissolved solids left behind in your water. It's easy to see that ZeroWater leaves 000 dissolved solids behind. For the purest tasting water, choose ZeroWater.
Aquagear Water Filter Pitcher. This jug belongs to the more expensive spectrum of water pitchers, and it offers the features you'd expect for the price. It comes with a US-made filter that has been certified by various independent ISO 17025 accredited labs to remove a wide range of contaminants. Those include, but not limited to, fluoride, chromium-6, chloramines, mercury, arsenic, and chlorine. Not only is it effective, but the filter also has an impressive capacity. It can filter 150 gallons of water before needing replacement. Per our rough estimates, it should last about 5 or 6 months. Of course, mileage will vary from household to household. To get the exact number, take notes of how many times you and your family member refill it each day, and do the calculations yourself. Note that it can hold half a gallon of water at a time. The jug looks basic and function-oriented, but it's made out of FDA-approved food-grade plastic and is BPA-free. If you care about living green, this pitcher is a good choice because it's 100% recyclable. The M Ultra Water Pitcher is a 21st century invention designed to turn tap water into healthy alkaline water quickly and effortlessly. This type of water is praised for its antioxidant and natural anti-aging properties. That's why having it readily available at home is priceless. To achieve its results, the pitcher uses a specially formulated 6-stage filter that removes most contaminants, then adjusts the water pH to an alkaline value. The result is perfect for athletes and fitness enthusiasts, but also for anyone else who wants healthy water. One thing we like less is that the filters are prone to clogs, and you might have to change them sooner than expected. Despite this slight drawback though, the pitcher is perfect if you want an endless supply of cheap alkaline water.